Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So in this video, we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Before we dive into the unboxing, if you guys are new to the channel and you like this type of content, you know, the tech reviews, tech unboxings, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the like button because it really does help out the channel. All right, back to the unboxing. So the phone comes in this black box. We've got a picture of the phone front and center. We've got the white colorway. We've got Galaxy S23 FE at the bottom, very minimalist. Got a little Samsung branding on the side there. Galaxy S23 FE on this side. And this is what we get on the bottom. All right, so let's unbox this real quick. So within this little box, we get a charging cable, USB-C. We get some documentation, quick start guide, and the phone. And that is the phone, guys. Very nice. And we've got an aluminum frame around it. It kind of reminds me of iPhone. It's got that iPhone vibe to it. And we've got Gorilla Glass 5, front and back. We've got your power button, your volume rocker, hole punch camera. Then we've got your USB-C port on the bottom here, the speaker. And it feels nice in hand. It feels very premium, guys. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. There we go. Turn that bad boy on. Powered by Android. Now, while this turns on, let me go over some of the features and specs of the one that I picked up. All right, guys, as far as let's start with the display. So we've got a dynamic AMOLED display with 120 hertz refresh rate at 1450 nits peak brightness. Again, at 6.4 inches. We've got a resolution of 2340 by 1080 and 403 ppi. And what does that mean? It's crystal clear, baby. So this one is coming in with Android 13 right out the gate. And this one has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So it's going to be nice and smooth, nice and crisp, nice and fast. You're going to be able to play all the graphic intensive games with no problem. Media consumption, watching YouTube, listening to music should be all nice and smooth and crispy. And the one I picked up, they come in a couple different versions. There's one with 128 gigs of storage space. I got the 256 with 8 gigs of RAM. Again, this one has aluminum all around the phone with Gorilla Glass 5 protecting the screen, front and back. And we've got an IP68 water rate so that if you are out and about, you don't have to really worry about it getting wet because it will be protected. That's a very beautiful screen, guys. Look at that. Very nice. And this is iPhone-esque. iPhone-esque. Is that a word? But yeah, it really reminds me of an iPhone. I like it. All right, guys, real quick, let's test out the fingerprint sensor. Let's see how this works. So there we go. It is locked. Bam. Try the other. Bam. There we go. And let's try the face unlock. Bam. Still got to swipe open. But let's do that again. Unlocked. So the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock works. I don't know how well it compares to like my iPhone. My iPhone, the 14 Pro, it's awesome. The face unlock even works in the dark. That's crazy. So as far as battery on this thing, this has a 4500 milliamp battery. It's supposed to last you 2 days or so with normal use. and we've got 25-watt wired fast charging. That should be able to get you 0 to 50 in about 30 minutes. Not the fastest, but certainly not the slowest, and I don't mind that. All right, guys, so we are back. Phone's not completely set up, but for the most part it is, and this screen is beautiful. Once again, it's 120 hertz refresh rate. Everything is running smooth. I'm going to do another review on this, a more in-depth review. This is more of an unboxing and first impression. So far, it's impressing me. It's impressing me. Let's just see how it is like opening apps. So we'll do our favorite, YouTube. And there you go. Opens nice and smooth. Very cool. And what else we got on here? And you got Google. Super smooth. Again, this has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, so it's going to be able to play the latest games, no problem. Everything runs super smooth. Apps open, no problem. Nice and quick. Very nice. So again, first impression, build quality is on point. It's iPhone-esque, if that's a word. It's very similar to the build of iPhone. And I'm liking it, guys. This is flagship. This is flagship. And right now, with the Black Friday specials, you can get this at $549 for the 128 version and $609 for the 256. Yeah, definitely check this out if you guys are in the market for a new mid-range phone. Again, this one is pretty much flagship. Again, guys, this is just an unboxing with a quick first impression. I'll do a more detailed review a little later once I've had it for a few weeks. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.